back to the channel. Today's a new day. We're working on a Cadillac today. We are installing our wing that I just got, a ducktail. Gloss black, already painted. I like that, easy install. All we have to do, put some 3M tape on it, clean that surface, make it look better. Now, I want you to get a nice little view of how it looks now, stock. Let me know, you got that good view? You got that good view? Okay, you gotta switch angles, just let me know. Bam, look at that. Gonna look a lot better, as you guys can see. First things first though, you gotta prep this surface. So, get your microfiber, clean everything up, all the edges up. Now, if you guys seen in the previous video that Frank went and did a whole entire detail cut and buff, so it's not that bad. Speaking about Frank, here's Frank right now. So, he's trying to do another quick little polish on this thing. So, let's see. We got this stuff here. Alright, so guessing I just gotta follow these lines here. This is where the tail light goes. So nothing here, just right here. Good. What's up, bud? Come look at this. Frank. Oh, look at this thing.
Hello, friend Frank. Hello, friend Frank.
Hi, friend Frank.
Stop. What do you think about that? Okay, nice. Look at that side in. So, what we gotta do, we already prepped the surface. We just gotta put some 3M tape on it. So we're set. Also, I have another project, another video for you guys coming out. A car that I just bought. I'm not going to show you. I didn't show you. Hey, what you doing, huh?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm sick of this car.
He might try to buy this car now. I don't know. But new car, who this? You know? So let's see. Gotta lay this thing out. Like I'm pinstriping right now. We got some nice plans later, going out to some spots that are fun. Mexico. Fun in Philly. Oh, you got your knife, bud? Got your knife?
Yeah, we pull out this bad boy.
No, up. Don't cut me, man.
That's on you.
It's the pain. I don't know how much I should put on here, honestly. I got this part here.
More layers you can run down. It's like say wash the paint. It's on the bottom.
Yeah, right. It's on the bottom, dude. Frank said more tape, the more downforce. Come right here. Just keep building, honestly. And you close it immediately. Say keep it over, you close it immediately. Alright, come here. Come the book. Oh! wings. Have them all.
They have bones in them.
Eat the chicken. Eat.
Maybe I'll have a piece. Maybe I'll have a piece.
Have the whole thing. I don't care.
I'll think about it. Maybe I'll have a piece.
He's fucking at school. Look at him. He's just.
I'm warm.
Yeah, fool. All right, guys. 3 M's all laid out. We're about to rip off all the topping. Whatever you want to call it. Red side. Pop out. We're all joining. And of course, I just cut my nails. Partially.
Spectator.
Well, if you're spectating, how about you tape? There you go.
Shouldn't have said nothing.
Yeah, you should have said nothing. Hit him with the nut eye. This is old.
Make sure not to touch like the glue surfaces that you uncovered, or have dust fly all over them.
That's alright, guys. If this thing falls off because the 3M tape, it's all good. You know why? It's only $1,000. For me. I'm treating.
What's $1,000?
This wing. And we're gonna trust it all to damn 3M tape. It's like 120.
Yeah, no shit. You can't fucking tell me $1,000, dude. Alright, so just like
I wonder if I should put like another layer.
Let's just like make sure like it's all like connected on the edges, please. And we don't have shit like this, please. Nope. Yeah, I mean, should be pretty good. So like, can you
Oh, yeah, we like this.
rag to prep this? You should get alcohol. You don't have alcohol?
We got wipes here. I got a wipe right there.
An alcohol prep?
Yep.
Where is it at?
It's in the plastic pouch. It's in the condom.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was the condom wrapper.
Oh my god.
So wait, where's it gonna make contact?
Oh, right here.
Wow. Yeah, you're scratching.
Hey man.
Maybe this is.
He's sitting there.
Wait, it must have got pierced or something.
Alright, well, let's go.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Ready, John?
It's like freshly polished too.
Oh, they're connecting you. Guys, it is on, taped up, looking nice. We're about to be out get some food, right? Where we going? He a female, he don't know. He about to leave us.
My big dig, dog. Big dig.
He's not going out with us because he got to go somewhere.
Take care of some business, you
Some
heard?
business.
Some business. Some
All right.
business.
To the loop, bye. You can do your flyby real quick. Hurry up.
Y'all.
Cold start for the boys. Come on. It's in the car. It's in the car. I got you. Cold start for the boys. Rev it up. As soon as you start it, do a burnout. No. He's like, hell no, man. He gonna do a flyby. Gonna do a flyby. Hey yo, that's more than I. More than I. You got a hill with a Z. We'll have him do a flyby. There he comes right now. I think he's getting food with us, though. I don't know. If he's getting food with us, no flyby. Yo! You getting food with us or no?
Probably not.
Probably not. Okay, hop in your car, do a flyby. Johnson already did one. Get the hell out of here. You gotta shoot some flames out this thing. Rev it up and neutral bomb the hell out of it. Get a nice little cold start for the boys. Nice little flyby. Let's get this flyby out the way. Hurry! All right, Frank, your turn in Lincoln MKZ.
I just play music on my way out.
he got the nice ass system, loud as hell with the bass. He's just gonna play some fucking R34, 2JZ, single turbo, two step. All right, guys.
57 turbo. You fly by.
All right, guys. But no, this thing is nice, bro. This thing is nice. All right, guys. You wanna do the outro, Frank? You think you got it?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
Like, comment, subscribe, and as again, we'll see you next time.
All right, guys. Like you said, like, share, subscribe. Catch you guys next time. See ya.